Now, in the previous video, we installed Node.js and VS Code, which are powerful tools you are going to be using in this course. But subsequently, we are going to install more powerful tools that are necessary for building our app in React Native. Now, first of all, is React Native CLI. Now, CLI simply means command line interface. Now, this CLI is going to help us in executing React Native commands using command prompt or terminal, better on the computer you're using.
You have to develop React Native apps. You have to install React Native command line interface, which is React Native CLI. So to do that, you open your command prompt and type this command: install npm install /g react native CLI. Now you have to be very mindful of the spelling, because any wrong spelling will not give you what you want. Now let's look at what we did here. Now we made a mistake and put 0 here between the React and the native, and it's going to give us an error message. Okay, now let's try another one. Now try and remove it and just put React Native like this. So in programming, it's very important that you follow the strict rules, because any mistake in the name will cause an error. So this is the right command here. You put npm install -g, see dash between the React and the native, right? Like this. And click on install. Now this is going to install everything we need. You're going to install everything about React Native CLI on our computer. So it's going to take a while, depending on how fast your network is and the capacity of your system. It's going to take a while to run. So let's just give it a little bit of time. So I'm going to pause and forward. Okay, it's done. So we are done with that stage. Now install the React Native CLI. So before we proceed further, I want to show you a little trick that I used. Now remember I told you that we are going to be using command prompt and VS Code for this particular course. So I want to pin it in the taskbar so that it will be easy to access every time I want to call it up. So to do that, go to the to do that for command prompt. First of all, we are going to go to the Windows systems, right click, just as I'm doing here, right click. Then you see pin to taskbar. You can see it's showing on the taskbar, as you can see here. Then we're going to do the same for VS Code. We're going to search where VS Code is stored on the Windows start button. Click on VS Code. Then right click on VS Code. You're going to see pin to taskbar under these more options here. Pin to taskbar. Yes, you can see it's pinned on the taskbar as well. So anytime you want to access them, you can just come down here and click on it. It will be easily accessed, like we're going to do now. See command prompt, right? It's already opened. Same goes for the VS Code.